Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be making this Jamaican style cornmeal porridge. This is one of my favorite breakfast porridge because this is what I grew up eating as a child, and as of this day I'm still eating it. If you're new, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Let's jump right into the video, shall we? So in this pot, guys, I have salted water and I'm waiting on that to start boiling so I can add my cornmeal. So I'll be adding some cornmeal in this beautiful green container. Then I'll be pouring some water on that, and I'm gonna mix it out so it doesn't lumpy, because if you wouldn't want to add the actual cornmeal to the hot liquid because it's just gonna be lumpy. So what you want to do is mix it out with a whisk until it's all blended out. Then you're gonna add it to your boiling water and you're gonna continue whisking that until it starts bubbling. I mean, you want to keep an eye on this because it's not something that you want to burn, and it's also one of those parts that's always bubbling up over the pot and you don't want to mess your stove up, so just keep an eye on it. So I'm adding more liquid to that. I mean, some person prefer their cornmeal porridge thick, some persons like it thin. Like me, I don't like my cornmeal porridge thick. I like it very thin and smooth. So now that it's bubbling, you want to let it cook for about 20 minutes. I'm going to say 15, about 20 minutes. Then I'm adding my condensed milk, and as you see, guys, it's changing color to a pale yellow. So yeah, add my condensed milk and I'm whisking that out. And it's just to sweeten it. I don't add sugar to my cornmeal porridge, I just use the condensed milk. And to season that, I'm using some cinnamon powder, vanilla, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. And you're gonna whisk that out. And guys, I mean, if you know cornmeal porridge, you know that at this point it smells amazing in the kitchen. You should know this if you've ever tried this. So yeah, so I'm just whisking that out and let it cook for about 5 minutes, I'd say. Yeah, and you want to continue whisking that because you don't want it to get lumpy. Oh no, honey, you wouldn't want that. Trust me, you wouldn't want it. You wouldn't want that at all. So yeah, as you guys see, I'm whisking that out, and yeah, look at this beautiful porridge. It tastes so good. It was so smooth and delicious, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. See you guys in my next video.